Given f of x equals 1 over x minus 2 and g of x equals the square root of x, part A, find f plus g of 4. Let's work on part A before we go to part B. Part A, f plus g of 4 by definition is equal to f of 4 plus g of 4. Okay, let's put a bracket in place of f of 4. What is f of 4? Go back up here to the f function and replace x with 4. You get 1 over 4 minus 2. Then this plus sign comes next, and in the next bracket we'll evaluate g of 4. Go back to the g function, let x equal 4, you get the square root of 4. Okay, let's simplify inside of each of the brackets. 1 over 4 minus 2 is 1/2, plus the square root of 4 is 2. And then, now you notice we didn't put plus or minus the square root because we did not introduce that square root. It was given to us over here in the function g. So 1/2 plus 2, let's get a common denominator, change 2 to 4 over 2. So now the 2's match on the bottom, add across the top, 1 plus 4 is 5 over 2. Now let's do b. B says using the same f and the same g, we are asked now to find f over g of 4. Down here, f over g of 4, by definition, is f of 4 over g of 4. That's our first step. But f of 4 divided by g of 4, oh, here's a mistake. That should not be x, that should be 4. So let's write this as a 4, okay? So f of 4 over g of 4 is the same as f of 4 times 1 over g of 4. It's the same thing. So let's evaluate f of 4 using this f function at the top is 1 over 4 minus 2, which is 1/2 right here, times 1 over g of 4, 1 over the square root of 4, which is 1 over 2 here. So 1/2 times 1/2, top times top, over bottom times bottom, equals 1/4. And finally, we're asked on part C to find f times g of 4. F times g of 4 at the bottom is f of 4 times g of 4. But what's f of 4? Let's evaluate it using this definition for f. It's 1 over 4 minus 2 times g of 4. But what's g of 4? Use this definition, evaluate it at 4, you get the square root of 4. So simplifying, this is 1/2 times 2. The 2 on the top cancels with the 2 on the bottom, and our answer is 1.